Save money by installing the Backsplash yourself. It's very easy. Here are the tools and materials you'll need. Before you begin, choose the tile of your preference and make sure to get a matching Schluter trim. Turn off power, remove outlet covers, and protect nearby appliances. Cover your counter with plastic. Measure and dry lay tiles for the backsplash area. Cut tiles strategically, hiding edges under cabinet. Mix glass tile mortar and water in a bucket. Follow product bag measurements. Use a ruby paddle or your hand for consistency. Apply with a 14-inch square trowel, bottom up, leaving 18-inch space. Use spacers for preferred grout size, completing the mosaica. Finish edges with Schluter trim. Let tiles and trim dry for 24 hours. For grouting, apply diagonally, let sit and wipe excess with a damp sponge. Installation done. It's easy. If I did it, you can too. Like, comment, and subscribe for more dye tips.